Hello folks, Jay Austin from Woodworking Blues from up in the game room. That's where my tribe spends most of their time. My 3-year-old boy and my 3 boys and my 1 girl. And my wife. They really enjoy it. And they really enjoy this guy here. But sometimes they get a little bored with pool. So, what I did in order to change things up a little bit, I made them this. And I got real lucky because, quite honestly, the dimensions of this board just fit over this pool table. And so I went and got the board, thinking I was going to have to get 2 of them and cut them in half and get them to fit and try to hide the seam, but it worked perfect. I think this is a maple veneer finish and plywood, a 1/2 inch, I believe. Yeah. And stained him, put a clear coat, a couple of clear coats on him. I didn't, you might be able to see how rough it is. I didn't sand it real hard, and I didn't even buff out the finish because I wanted it to be kind of rough for the ping pong ball. So it had a little grip. And so now we've got a combination pool table and ping pong table. And I tell you what, it's a lot of use. And they really enjoy it. And I really enjoy making it. Pretty simple. Pretty simple, no cutting involved. No cutting, no measuring. Just sand a little, stain, and finish. I gotta adjust this net. They got a little too short. I'll fix that for them. And they'll be in business. So just want to show you this real quick little project I did. I think I talked about it in a video a long time ago, but I never showed the complete project. So I'm trying to remedy that and show my completed projects. And this is one of them. So for Jay Austin at Woodworking Blues, keep on woodworking.